Tips to make your life actually better. First, start keeping a positive mindset in your daily routine. Because why not? Overthinking doesn't help. What really helps is being positive about your surroundings. It's for your peace of mind and it makes you see more better possibilities in your daily life. Second, uh, stop being a perfectionist because no one is perfect, right? We all are trying our best to be there. So, and I think imperfection is really beautiful. Third, forgive those people about whom you're holding grudges. Because why should you hold something they did to you and you don't even like it? Release yourself from that pain. Just release yourself. These small things, when we apply in our daily life, it really makes us feel happy and more mindful, you see, in our daily life. That's where it helps.